This is Tajamul Adil. Today I will discuss about the cinematic mode that Apple introduces on the iPhone 13 series. In this video, I will present a tutorial on cinematic mode by side-by-side comparison by using iPhone 13 mini, 15 and 16 Pro models. Initially, I will demonstrate the settings for the iPhone 13 mini, depth of field and exposure settings. It is important to note that iPhone 13 mini supports only 1080p at 30 frames per second on the cinematic mode. The iPhone 13 series does not include a zoom feature as demonstrated on the video. Recording is limited to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. The iPhone 13 series does not include a zoom feature as demonstrated on the video. Recording is limited to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. I'm utilizing a camera aperture of focal length 2.0 and exposure setting -1.3 for low light conditions. It will be interesting to see the outcome. Currently, I'm using the iPhone 15 and you can see the camera aperture settings and ISO control for the exposure level. The iPhone 15 is capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 24 frames per second in cinematic mode. It also offers a zoom feature ranging from 1x to 3x. In iPhone 15 cinematic mode, I have set the camera aperture of focal length 2.0 and ISO exposure to -1.3 for low light settings. The zoom level ranges from 1x to 3x with the recording set 4K 30 frames per second. It is now time to show you the iPhone 16 Pro cinematic mode settings, and I will show you the aperture level and the ISO controls for adjusting the exposure level. The iPhone 16 Pro is capable of recording in 4K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 24 frames per second in cinematic mode. Additionally, it offers a zoom feature ranging from 1x to 3x. It's time for a side-by-side comparison. I have a stick that can hold all three iPhones on it. Finally, let's discussing post-recording using cinematic mode on any iPhone, showcasing the iPhone 16 Pro model. To transfer files from your iPhone to the MacBook series, follow these steps. After recording in cinematic mode, the iPhone provides two files, IMG 5182 and IMG E5182. It is recommended to always use the file that start with the letter E, as it contains information about the aperture size and ISO level that you selected during recording. I trusted this tutorial is beneficial for those individuals who wants to learn about cinematic mode on the latest iPhones. In the camera studio recordings, I constantly use cinematic mode as it gives the background blur and enhanced low light conditions. If you are interested in iPhone 16 Pro versus iPhone 15 camera results, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.